This is the brief on ancient Roman inventions. All right, so we're diving into the incredible engineering of the Roman Empire, and get this, we're going to see how some of their innovations weren't just good for their time, they were actually better than what we have today. First up, and this is kind of wild, self-healing concrete. So the Romans mastered this process called hot mixing. What it did was leave behind these tiny reactive bits. They're called lime clasts. And here's the magic. If a crack appears, these little clasts kick into gear, release calcium, and poof, the crack just fills itself in. We're talking fissures up to half a millimeter wide, which gave their buildings a way longer lifespan than ours. Second, let's talk about their road network, because this system literally shaped the map. I mean, they built almost 300,000 kilometers of roads, engineered with deep layers of gravel and stone to last for centuries. And the really crazy part? Research shows that areas with a lot of Roman roads back then still have the densest modern infrastructure, like our railways and highways, today. Their blueprint is still in use. And finally, their water systems were just on another level. You know the aqueducts, right? These were incredible gravity-powered structures. For example, the Aqua Claudia alone brought in 192,000 cubic meters of fresh water a day to Rome. That's enough for a small modern city. And they used some really clever tech too, like sedimentation tanks to filter the water, and even these U-shaped pipes called inverted siphons to get water across huge valleys. So from buildings that can fix themselves to roads that still guide our city planning, you really have to say it. Ancient Roman innovation is still the benchmark for a civilization built to last.